When embarking on a home inspection journey, it is pivotal to ensure that the property you're interested in meet expectation. Here is a comprehensive guide on what your home inspector look at during an inspection. Number one is structural integrity. They're checking the foundation, the walls, roof for crack and sagging. Two is plumbing. They're inspecting pipes, faucets, water heater, looking for leaks and functionality of all these items. Three is electrical system, testing outlets, switches, wiring for safety. Four is the HVAC, evaluating the heating, the ventilations, and the AC. Five is roof. They're looking for missing shingle, leak, and wear and tear. Six is insulation, checking the attics, wall for energy efficiency and moisture prevention. Seven is appliances, testing the kitchen fixture for functionalities. 8 is windows and door. They're inspecting for the ceiling, the operation, and security of it. 9 is mold. They always look for sign of mold and moisture-prone area. 10 is the exterior. They're assessing the paint, the gutter, the siding, the landscaping. And when you're reviewing an inspection report, when in doubt, give the inspector a call. They're actually able to give you a lot more insight that is actually not on the report. Sometimes we'll see a crack in the foundation, whether it's a vertical crack or a horizontal crack. When you give them a call, they'll tell you, oh yeah, you know what, that thing is going to be okay. It doesn't affect the functionality of the foundation. Here, you know, it's going to be a simple fix. Or they can say, oh my gosh, that thing is huge and it's going to cost you a ton of money. They do able to give you some of that insight. The same thing, I have another one where there was mention of under mold, but actually it turned out to be fungus instead of actual mold, because mold is going to be a whole nother story versus fungus. So give the inspector a call. They will give you a lot more insight and detail that they won't put on the report. So when you aren't buying a home or selling a home, it is so critical that you make sure you have that inspection report, because once you have that inspection report, you know what you're getting into. It will help for a very smooth transition into the home. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.